Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Top 6 drones of 2018. We'll have that coming right up. "2018 saw an incredible number of brand new drones come to market. What I've done is compile a list of my top 6 drones of 2018. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Coming in at number 6 was the DJI Mavic Air. As you all know, I had a few weeks to test one courtesy of Florida Drone Supply. Some of the things I really liked about it were its portability, its ease to get up in the air at a moment's notice, the great 4K video from it. It was absolutely, positively fantastic. One of the other things that I did notice with it was very loud. It was kind of on the loud side. Also want to let you know the DJI holiday sale will be coming up here in about another week. I believe that starts on December the 9th. There'll be a link in the description for you to check that out. And the Mavic Air will be on sale. That is included in the sale. So it is definitely something you should consider giving as a Christmas gift this year. Coming in at number 5 was the Parrot Avi. Now, I had the absolute pleasure of spending some time with Rick Smith a couple of weeks ago, and he gave me some extensive flying time with the Parrot Avi. I absolutely loved how it handles. It's very maneuverable, stops on a dime, very responsive, and it has a great runtime. I was real impressed with that. One of the other things that impressed me was the app, and the app was very easy to use. One of the things that I can say about it, it's also extremely portable. It folds down in such a small form factor. It's great. Now, when it initially came out, it was pretty expensive. It was at about $699, and I believe some retail outlets, including Best Buy, have had as much as $150 off of that. So that's something you definitely want to check out, and that would definitely be a drone that I'd recommend for you on your Christmas list this year. Now, coming in at number 4 is the Autel Evo. And again, courtesy of Rick Smith, and this was more like a couple of months ago, I was able to spend some time flying the Autel Evo. Number 1, it's a heavy drone. Number 2, it's very solid. It's very well built. That's one thing that I can always say about Autel, because I came from having an X-Star Premium myself. They build a solid drone. Their hardware has been absolutely impeccable. Absolutely no difference here. Very maneuverable. Absolutely love that. And one of the things that I really like about it, the controller does have that built-in screen, so you don't even need your phone to fly with that, which makes it absolutely, positively fantastic. Now, there may be some sales going on in the next few weeks, so I would definitely pay attention. I know Autel has bundled this with some batteries and also with a soft case and a hard case, so definitely go and check that out because you may be able to save some money for the holidays. One other item of note, and I think this is very important here, Autel was very slow with software updates when they had the X-Star Premium out, and I felt that pain. It was very real. What has been absolutely incredible as of late, Autel has really responded, and they've gotten software updates out on what I would say has been a timely basis. And the video that's come out of the Autel Evo has been absolutely fantastic. So again, that is a drone that I would most definitely recommend. Now, coming in at number 3, a lot of people are going to kind of roll their eyes on this one, but I'm going to say the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. Bill? Phantom 4, it's been out for a while. The Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 came out this year. And the big thing with that is the OcuSync 2.0. And one of the things that I can tell you about OcuSync 2.0 is that transmission range is absolutely, positively incredible. Now, I had experience flying a Phantom 4 Pro this year. I haven't flown a Phantom 4 Pro V2.0, but I can tell you with my Mavic 2 Pro, the OcuSync on there, one of the great ways that I was able to test that was to do a live stream on YouTube from the drone. Now, I did that before with the Mavic Pro, and doing it with the Mavic 2 Pro, night and day difference. Everyone said when they were watching the live stream, the video was great, it was fantastic, it was easy to see. So that's one of the big things. Plus, you get the 4K at 60 frames per second. An interesting side note is if you go out to DJI's website, it's showing as out of stock right now. Now, Drone DJ contacted DJI, and what they told them was they were out of parts. It wasn't that they stopped production of the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. They were out of parts. Now, one of the things I can tell you, I have seen it available on Amazon and on eBay, so that's something I would definitely recommend checking out. I absolutely loved being able to fly Phantom 4 Pro this year, and it's a great drone, absolutely, positively, without a doubt. Now, coming in at number 2 is the Mavic 2 Zoom. I love spending some time, and again, thanks to Rick Smith a couple of weeks ago, he brought his Mavic 2 Zoom, and I was able to fly that, and it handles exactly the same as the Mavic 2 Pro, but that zoom feature is incredible, and I was able to have some fun with that, and it's very easy to use, very intuitive. I can't say enough about that. Why it came in at number 2 for me was I think the camera is not as good as my number 1 choice, the Mavic 2 Pro. The Mavic 2 Pro's camera is outstanding. You know, we all know that both the drones have incredible obstacle avoidance. They have increased runtime. You know, hyperlapse mode is absolutely, positively fantastic and one of my favorite features on there. And I know we're waiting for waypoints on that, and I've actually put out a feeler to DJI regarding that, and from what they said, they're working on it. So kind of crossing fingers on that. Now, one of the things with the Mavic 2 Pro is its price. It is pretty pricey. And if you're looking to save a few dollars, you could get the Mavic 2 Zoom. And again, that zoom capability is fantastic. But I believe the quality of the video that you'll get with a Mavic 2 Pro is out of this world. And I know a lot of reviewers who have purchased both a Mavic 2 Zoom and a Mavic 2 Pro because they love the zoom capabilities, and they also love the quality of the camera from the Mavic 2 Pro. Question of the day: do you own any of these drones? If so, which one? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.